Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the different shipping methods that are available that you can avail. And obviously one of the major things that you need to understand when you're selling on eBay is to select the right supplier where you're going to get your products from. And obviously we've gone in great detail and talk about the different drop shipping methods that are available that you can avail with your eBay store. If you haven't watched that video, click in the description below on the link and give it a watch, because the reason we are making these videos to ensure that you have the proper strategy that you can have to scale your business and create a successful dropshipping business using eBay. Now, one of the major mistakes which a lot of young entrepreneurs tend to make is they do not select the right shipping for the product that they want to get. And how do you do that? It's quite simple. Just head over to Alibaba.com. Now, one of the things I want to mention about Alibaba.com, if you look at the top over here, they have two options. One is product and the second are manufacturer. So what is the difference between these? The first one obviously are the different products that are available. The seconds are the manufacturers that are available. So you can search for products and you can search for manufacturers. And the thing that really makes Alibaba.com stand out from all the other e-commerce websites that are available on the internet today is the fact that Alibaba.com cuts out the middleman. It can help you go directly to the supplier and the manufacturer. And obviously you need to make sure that you understand the dynamics of it. If you scroll down, you can see the new arrivals, the top ranking that is available for all the different products that people are interested in, and they go in great detail to search for the elements and the products that you can actually sell that are top ranked, that are people are interested. And you can have your personal protective equipment, you can have your tips, the regional specialities as well, and the drop shipping. You can have even customizable products that you can sell for your shop as well, with ready to ship products that you can sort from 15 million products that are ready to ship and leave the facilities in 15 days. And obviously you have consumer electronics and the different elements for them. You have your apparels, the vehicle parts and accessories, and the weekly deals as well. And that is the thing that I love about Alibaba, is that you can request a quotation, you can mention a product, the quantity that you want, and all the other manufacturers and suppliers will message you and tell you that if they can fulfill your order or not. And that is the beauty of this particular website, because it's available in different countries and different regions, so you can ensure that you can get as minimum possible shipping time as you can to ensure that you always have the right product available for you. So what we're going to do is scroll right up and click where it says ready to ship. And once we do that, we're going to go to the next page. Over here, we'll see that we can find different products. We can source different products which are well reviewed, which are ordered to case, which have exclusive discounts as well, and with the different categories that are available in. So we're going to go and check the source now. And once we click on it, we'll go to the next page. These are well reviewed products that people are interested in. Now, obviously, one of the major things you have to keep in mind whenever you select particular products is to ensure that you're finding a product that tends to have one of the best reviews that are available, that people are interested in, that people want to buy, that people want to get hold of. And obviously with Christmas just around the corner, you want to make sure that you get the right product to your customer at the right time. So obviously you can have one of the most amazing drop shipping business available that is both scalable and also successful at the same time. There are hundreds and thousands of products that are available that you can get hold of, and you want to make sure that you want to get the right product. And one of the major things you have to look out for is the price. For example, these cotton square face washing cloth is for 35 cents and you can get 100 pieces for them. And obviously very simply, you can get all these elements on your dropshipping business on eBay and sell these products directly to your customer and your audience, because the beauty of Alibaba.com is the fact that they search and find the right product that they want to get into. The second thing I want to show you guys is, for example, if you click over here on this particular product, it will open on the next page. Now, when we do that, there's two things that you need to look out for. The first one obviously is the information about the products and the inquiry for it. And then the second thing is how long is the manufacturer been supplying on Alibaba for this product. Now you can clearly see this information is going to be available over here. This is a verified supplier that's been working on this particular product for 2 years. And if you scroll down, they have a transaction of $180,000 that is available. And they have different products that are available that you can get hold of. And that is the reason why I personally feel Alibaba is one of the best places to find the right products for yourself. So even more, what you can do is that you can search for products that you want. For example, if you put phone cases and we search for phone cases, we will get different phone cases that are available that we can can get hold of and sell on our dropshipping business on eBay. Now, one of the things I always mention to individuals is to make sure that you look at for one important aspect, which is the shipping. Now, this is the shipping over here. It's going to cost $1.46. Now, what happens is that a lot of time people tend to get products and they get high shipping. For example, this shipping is going to cost you $27, even though the product is 55 cents to $1.28, but the shipping is very expensive. This shipping for the same product is for $8.55. So make sure that you select the correct shipping. And how do you do that? It's very simple. You got to make sure that you go over to the major elements and major logistical companies that are available on the internet right now and see the prices that they have. You can head over to dhl.com and then find the right price and get the right quotation by clicking over it and getting a quotation to see how much it's going to cost you to get this product from wherever you're based in. You can go to FedEx and also do the exact same thing and get the right quotation that you'll be able to get the right product to your individuals. And by doing that, all you need to do is click on rate and ship and you'll be able to find the product and how much it is going to cost you to ensure that you always have the best price whenever you're shipping your products. The third place that I personally feel is one of the best whenever you're shipping in the US or in the UK is to get the product from UPS. And obviously you can look at the shipping and how much it's going to cost you, because the main element over here and the profit margin that you're going to make is from increasing the price and decreasing your cost. And that is the reason why I always recommend guys to do your own research before you select any product. And obviously if you want to head over and check on eBay how much a phone is going to cost you and the shipping for it, you can clearly see the massive difference. All we need to do is search for phone cases and we scroll down on eBay, you'll be able to see how much and where this product is going to be from. This is being shipped from the US and it's going to cost $11.21. This is being shipped from China and has free shipping available, and the product is going to cost you $1.21 to $4.51. So we're going to select two products. I'm going to show you what the difference between. We're going to select this product and this product over here. So once we open the product, we can see all the information over here. And what mistake people tend to make is this, that they check the price but they do not check how much the shipping is going to cost. And when they buy it, the time it takes to get over here is going to be massive. For example, the shipping price for this product is going to be £5.50, approximately $6.72, and the time for delivery is going to be between 16 December and 29th December. And obviously if you want to check out the next product where we're talking about, the shipping is going to be completely free, but you're going to get it a little later. You're going to get it by January 5th to January 19th, but it's not going to cost you anything, and the price is going to be $1.18. Now obviously the profit margin between both these products, which are very similar, is massive. This is something that you can get relatively cheap and with free shipping, and this is a product which is going to cost you around 10 to 11 pounds and obviously around $12 to get this product, but this is going to cost you around $1 or $2. And obviously once you get this product on Alibaba, it's going to cost you even less than that. Now guys, the major thing that you want to keep in mind whenever you're selecting a product is the price, is the quality, where it's been shipped from and who has been shipping it. And obviously make sure that you go in great detail and check the different shippers that are available to ensure that you have the right information and the right price before you make any decision. Never rush. Do your research, because the success that you're going to get for your dropshipping business is going to come from the amount of research that you do and find the right product at the right price with the right shipping. If you have any questions guys, do let me know. If you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, easy it is to find the right shipping methods to ship your product from anywhere across the globe to your store on eBay. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.